Hello, welcome back to Spotlight Channels here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to screenshot on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click a subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now let's get started. Well guys, here to screenshot on a Motorola G06 Power, we can do it. It's like on Android in generally. We just have to press the power button here and the volume down. We just have to press for the second. And here I'm gonna do it for you. I'm gonna press the power button here and the volume down to screenshot the screen here. Maybe here I'm gonna open the settings page like this, and here I'm gonna screenshot it. I'm gonna press it like this for a second, and it will be a screenshot, yeah guys. And for the result, you just have to open your album or photo here, because it will be saved automatically. Here I'm gonna open, and this is the result, yeah guys. And yeah, I think it's enough for today. A tutorial how to screenshot on Motorola G06 Power. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and comments below. I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.